Hi and welcome to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing the Iceland's barbecue value pack. £5. You get this great big, very big bag. Look at this. Alright, and you get 8 pieces of chicken, with your drumsticks there. You get 8 burgers, and you also get 8 sausages. All that for £5. Let's get in there and have a look, see what they're like. Right, so first of all, it's all individually bagged. We've got a red bag here. This has got your burgers in there, little thin burgers there, little patties individually. Put them to one side. What else have we got in here? What's next? Right, okay, so we've got our chicken. There's our legs there. Number of legs in there. Gonna give that a wash off, get all that blood off that. Just wash them first before cooking them. I think that might be a bit boring to be honest, just plain chicken, so we might have to add a bit of flavour to them in a minute. And then we should have the sausages. Oh, these are quite large, bigger than what I thought they'd be. Again, colour coded. Look, got like an orange bag for this one. Got sausages there. They're not too stingy. See what they're like. Right, so here we go, and let's make a nice marinade for that chicken, them chicken legs. Right, got my rosemary and garlic oil here, extra virgin olive oil, infused with rosemary and garlic. Be quite generous with this. Splosh some of that in there. Now I have got some pre-bought chicken tikka flavour in here, look, just a pack of that. We'll put some of that in there, like that. There we go, quite a bit in there. And we make like a paste to cover the chicken. Get my tongs in there. Give me a little whiz up. Lovely. Get into all the corners. Nice. So here we go. Make a nice paste. This to cover the chicken in. And then let that season overnight or a couple of hours before cooking. There we go, throw the chicken in. Flip it around. Doesn't got to be completely coated, just so it's got flavour. A taste test, shall we? I'm going to be honest with you, the chicken turned out really well. Put a flavour on, as you saw, a chicken tikka flavour. That turned out really well. You've got your chicken here, look, decent bits of chicken. And it's not about the flavour of it, it's mainly the decent quality chicken, look. Nice. Good bits of chicken. Yeah, really worth it, it's good. Get loads of that chicken, nice. The burgers I wasn't really impressed with, to be honest with you. They're mainly very fatty. They're very small. Once all the fat comes out of them, but like any burger. Very bready, I don't know if you can see that, got bits of bread in that as well. They're alright, but they're very small. Yeah. Okay, you probably have to put 2 in a bun. Make it nice, you know. But not too bad. Sausages. They're not too good, to be fair. You can see that. But I've had worse. I've had ones that are named after cigarettes, shall I say. And think of a wealthy man. I won't say the brand, but they're a lot worse than these. So they're not bad either. So yeah, you get all that for a £5. Not bad, to be fair. Chicken would have been plain and boring, so I had to put a sauce on that, which was nice. But yeah, do I recommend it? Yeah, I do. £5. A lot of food for £5. Give it a go, people. It's worth it.